Okay, girls. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to sketch these lines. So here is the equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. Remember, this is our slope, and this is our y-intercept. Okay? So we're going to start out with, maybe I can try to leave it here like this. I don't think so. Okay, so I'm not going to make these very, very good, but I'm going to make them so you can see them. So the first thing we need to start out with is our y-intercept. In this case, it's positive 2. So you're going to put a small dot. I'm putting a ridiculous dot. Then we need to apply the slope to this. In this case, it's negative 7 over 6. So we're falling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're still running 6. So we need 2 points to draw a line. Again, mine is ridiculous. Yours will be better. And then we're going to label this y equals negative 7 over 6x plus 2. So that's number 1 done. Now, let's see if we can do number 2 over here. Number 2, the y-intercept is negative 2. So there's the y-intercept. The slope in this one is 2, or 2 over 1. So we're rising 1, 2, and running 1. And this makes sense because it's going to be a positive line. So this is y equals 2x minus 2. Okay, we'll do number 3 here. Number 3, the y-intercept is negative 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, so the line is going to cross there. And what's the slope? Negative 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm making some of this stuff up. 5. So there's our 2 lines, or 2 points rather. And there's our line. And this is y equals negative 7 fifths x minus 3. Number 4, y equals 8 over 3x minus 5 minus 5. There is our y-intercept, and we're going to rise 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're running 3. So 2 points. You're going to take your time doing this, girls. I mean, mine's a mess. I'm trying to do it really big to show you. And then we'll label it y equals 8 over 3x minus 5. So there's 1 through 4. Just show you all of them. 1 through 4, and we'll do 5. Number 5, y equals negative 5. This is the one I'm doing, girls. On number 5, y equals negative 5 halves x minus 1. So minus 1 is our y-intercept. So we're going to have to fall 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and run 2. And we're just going to go ahead and draw a line. And label it y equals negative 5 halves x minus 1. Number 6. Number 6 is y equals negative 4/3 x plus 1. So the y-intercept is plus 1. Simply come up here to positive 1. And let's apply the slope to this, negative 4. So we're falling 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and running 3. So let's label it y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 1. Right? These lines are going down in this direction because they're negative slopes. Number 7. Number 7. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 2. Minus 2. That's our y-intercept, and let's apply the slope to it. Got to fall 2, run 3. 1, 2, run 3. Let's make a little linesy. Make sure you put arrows on the line, yo. Definitely going to want that in a grade 11. And this is y equals negative 2/3 x minus 2. And then number 8 is our last one. What are we talking about here? Y equals negative 4 over 9x minus 3. Okay. Minus 3. That is our y-intercept. We got to fall 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And run 9, which is going to be somewhere over there. It's off in the graph paper. You might want to use one graph paper per graph, girls, while you're getting used to this. Y equals negative 4 over 9x minus 3. Okay, so that's that assignment. And then don't forget that I graphed these neatly for you, and I put that in the answer key, I think. Okay, so that was 4 and 5 through 8. You'll have those pictures of those. Okay, and then I will carry on here.